In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change theme in Google Sheets. A theme controls the overall look of your spreadsheet, from the fonts used in headings and body text to the accent colors that appear in charts, shapes, and headers. Using a theme keeps everything consistent and readable, which is especially helpful when you're sharing reports, presenting data, or aligning with brand colors. It also saves time by preventing one-off formatting and gives your document a polished, professional feel. Start by opening your Google Sheet. It can be a brand new sheet or one that already contains data. Changing the theme won't alter your numbers or formulas. It only affects the visual style, so you can proceed with confidence. This applies to the entire spreadsheet file, including all tabs within it. Next, go to the top menu bar and click Format, then choose Theme. This opens a panel on the right side of your screen. If you see a collection of thumbnails with different color and font combinations, you're in the correct place. This panel is where you'll make all of your styling choices and see how they affect your sheet. From here, you can pick a predefined theme or fine-tune your own. To keep it simple, click a theme thumbnail to instantly preview how it looks. Your sheet will update as you select different options, letting you compare color palettes and font pairs without changing any of your content. If you want more control, click Customize. In the customization area, adjust the font for headings and normal text, and choose colors for the primary palette and accents. Aim for strong contrast between text and background to maintain accessibility and legibility. Avoid red-green combinations if you're concerned about colorblind visibility. If your organization uses specific brand colors, enter the hex values so charts, spark lines, and cell highlights match your style. Keep in mind that elements using default styles will adopt the new theme, while cells you've manually formatted may retain their specific settings. When you're satisfied with the appearance, click Done to apply the theme. The style is applied across the entire spreadsheet, including new charts you create later, so everything stays cohesive. Collaborators will see the updated look immediately, and the theme carries through to printed pages and exported PDFs. You can revisit Format Theme at any time to tweak or switch to another theme, and if you make a change you don't like, use Undo to roll it back. All updates save automatically, so there's no extra step needed to preserve your work. That's all it takes. Open your sheet, go to Format and Theme, choose or customize the look, and click Done. With a few thoughtful choices, you'll turn plain data into a clear, consistent document that's easier to read and share.